Welcome to the Personizer overview and tutorial. Let's get organized. Get all your stuff in one place: tasks, contacts info, and calendar info. Plan your tasks or jobs so you actually get them done. Schedule and prioritize tasks efficiently. Finish your stuff and then keep track of what you did. Easily communicate with clients and others to keep them updated. The key to success is communication. The easiest way to use it is 1. Plan your tasks. 2. Schedule your tasks. 3. Complete your tasks. 4. Enjoy your free time and repeat. Write down everything that comes in through your mental inbox. Once it's written down, just press save. Later on, you can plan if and when and how to do it. To create a new task, tap into the Clear Your Mind text box. Write in a task you've been meaning to do. Now tap Add. Now press Save. Task is added and appears on the main screen. Tap on the task to bring up more options for it. Add a picture, add a reminder, set it as important, etc. Categorizing the task. That task was uncategorized because it doesn't involve anyone else except you. Do it again, but this time categorize the task with a contact person. If someone else is responsible for the task, or if you are responsible to them for the task, then categorize it with a person. This is just for your private personal organizer. They don't see it. For example, a client, Carl, has requested that you prepare a quote for some work he wants done. Enter the task, Prepare a Quote. This time, on the new task screen, select a contact, choose Carl, tap Personize it. Your daily organizer now shows a task listed under the heading of Carl. Now it's easy to add more tasks for Carl. Tap on the plus button and the new task edit screen loads with the category already selected to Carl. Let's add Call him to organize time for a meeting. Easy communications. To perform this task of calling Carl, it's easy to bring up Carl's contact profile, tap his photo, jump straight to the contact info, and call him as you usually would. This saves time looking through contacts, or worse, ringing the wrong Carl if you have multiple Carls in your phone. The app will never contact them or do anything automatically. You are always in control. Booking appointments. Carl tells us to book him in for a meeting in 2 weeks' time. Tap the plus button for a new task categorized with Carl. Enter in the details of any other important information regarding the meeting, perhaps products or paperwork you want to bring along. We can now copy that task information straight onto our calendar. Set the date and time of the event, save it, now press back a couple of times to return back to the app. Most people will have Google Calendar on their phone. If not, you can download it. But any calendar you have set to default will work okay with Personizer. This copies the information and creates a new event in our calendar. Because the calendar event was created through Personizer, the calendar information is also saved in Personizer. A calendar icon appears next to the task to show there is an appointment linked. Tap the calendar icon to launch your calendar to this event. Also, there is a calendar shortcut icon up the top to launch the calendar directly. Today's view. Tap the filter icon to just show what is scheduled for today and also what is overdue. This is the best view to use when working through your tasks. Jump back to the All Tasks view when planning and preparing your day. This way all the other mind clutter is hidden as you take action on your tasks. New categories. Sometimes you might want to create a custom category or create a new contact to categorize a task with. Just tap the contact icon, then add contact. This will load your contacts app to the add new contact screen. Enter the name of it. Now you have a new category to use for any situation. Table view. Swap over from tasks to table view mode to see what appointments we have coming up or what reminders have been set also. It will show the calendar event as having been set up. Now back to working through the tasks. Notifying the contact when the task is done. The next task is Prepare a Quote. When this task is done, for example, we've sent the quote off to Carl via email, we can tap the tick box to mark the task as completed, and optionally press the button, Let them know. The app will load up your default SMS window, pre-filling the recipient, Carl, and pre-filling the message box. Simply edit the message to your liking and now send it off using the Send SMS button to alert him that the task is completed. Taking your gear to appointments. Imagine we just came up with a great idea. Let's bring along a product sample for the meeting. That's easy to do. Tap Carl, tap the task meeting, add new note to the task. Now we know that for this meeting with Carl, we have tasks and notes all connected and are prepared for this meeting. This way it's organized and centralized, and a reminder is also set. Driving to appointments. When you create your client's contact profile, it's a great idea to enter their location address, and when it's time to drive there, tap the contact's photo icon. Then tap the location directions icon, and this will load up the map app and take you straight there. In fact, you'll find that using Personizer is a much easier and better method to accessing your contacts' information in many cases. The quick Launch to Contacts button is there also if needed, and so is one for the calendar. It's a great place to just run everything from. Congratulations! You've just learned how to create a new task, categorize a task, communicate easily with your contacts, book appointments, see what's on for today, create categories, view a table schedule, notify the contact when the task is done, set reminders to take gear to jobs, and quickly load the client's location information. Remember, when you have a task to do, personalize it with your own personal organizer.